That clogged feeling in your ear isn't just wax. It's a medical risk. We analyzed 7 earwax removal tools sold on Facebook and Amazon. 5 of them don't actually pull wax out. They pack it in directly against your eardrum. In the clinic, we call this impacted disaster. Here are the 7 tools destroying your hearing and the only 2 that are medically safe to use. Number 7. The standard cotton swab. The American Academy of Otolaryngology is clear. Cotton swabs were never designed for the ear canal. The tip of a swab is nearly the same width as the average adult ear canal. When you insert it, there is no room for the wax to move past the tip. Instead, you act as a human piston, pushing the wax deeper. Over time, this creates a hard impacted wall of wax that can only be removed through professional microsuction. In our analysis, the most common tool in the bathroom is the leading cause of clinical hearing loss. Number 6. Spiral and Q-grip cleaners. These are marketed as the safe alternative to swabs. The theory is that the spiral head catches the wax and pulls it out. In reality, the soft silicone tips often fail to grab onto dry or impacted wax. Worse, the drilling motion can push loose wax deeper into the bony part of the ear canal where it cannot naturally migrate out. This part of the ear is highly sensitive. One slip of the hand and the spiral head can make direct contact with the eardrum. Number 5. T-Vidler and social media miracle tools. T-Vidler is one of the most aggressively marketed tools in 2026. The advertisements use satisfying animations of wax being screwed out of the ear. Independent customer reports follow a different pattern. Users describe the soft silicone tips breaking off and becoming lodged in the ear canal. This requires an emergency visit to an ear, nose, and throat specialist for extraction. In our analysis, a tool that carries the risk of leaving a foreign object in your head is a failure of design. Number 4. Generic ear vacuum cleaners. These tools claim to suck the wax right out using gentle suction. We tested the suction power of 5 leading generic models. The airflow produced is insufficient to move even soft, moist wax. For older adults with drier, harder wax, these tools are completely useless. They are loud. They vibrate directly against the ear bone, and they offer zero clinical benefit. They are a toy sold as a medical solution. Number 3. Cheap LED ear scoops. These are small plastic picks with a built-in light. They are often used by parents or partners to help clean someone else's ear. This is incredibly dangerous. Without the depth perception provided by a professional microscope, it is impossible to know how close you are to the eardrum. The skin of the inner ear canal is thin and bleeds easily. A single scratch can lead to an external ear infection that is painful and difficult to treat in seniors. Number 2. High-pressure jet water picks. Some do-it-yourself kits use a high-pressure nozzle to blast water into the ear. If the water pressure is unregulated, the force can be strong enough to perforate the eardrum instantly. In the clinic, we see patients who have used these at home and ended up with permanent tinnitus or ringing in the ears. High-pressure irrigation should only be performed by a professional with a regulated device. Number 1. Hydrogen peroxide misused. Many seniors use 3% hydrogen peroxide to fizz the wax out. While peroxide can soften wax, using it too frequently or at full strength can cause significant chemical irritation to the delicate skin of the canal. If you have a small undiagnosed hole in your eardrum, the liquid can enter the middle ear. This causes immediate excruciating pain and can lead to permanent damage. There is a difference between cleaning your ears and damaging them. 2 solutions actually work. Worth it. Number 2. Debrox and oil-based drops. The goal is not to dig the wax out. The goal is to soften it so the ear's natural self-cleaning mechanism can do the work. Clinical-grade drops like Debrox use carbamide peroxide to safely break down the hard impacted wall. For most seniors, a few days of drops followed by a gentle warm shower is the only intervention needed. It is slow, it is boring, and it is medically correct. Worth it. Number 1. Professional-grade irrigation kits. If the wax is truly stuck, you need volume, not pressure. The elephant ear style kits use a spray bottle that delivers a high volume of water at a low, safe pressure. This creates a whirlpool effect that washes the wax out behind the tip, rather than pushing it forward. It is the only at-home irrigation method that mirrors what we use in a professional setting. The clogged feeling is your body's way of telling you to be careful. Do not respond by attacking the ear with a $20 plastic tool. If drops do not work after 3 days, see an audiologist. That 30 seconds of attention is worth more than your hearing. If this was useful, there is more coming. Subscribe so you do not miss it.